For this tutorial, I'm using the clip comparison project file. You can find that project file with the media associated with this tutorial. Just double-click on the project file to open it in Premiere Pro. I'm in the Color workspace, and you can reset that workspace by clicking on the panel menu next to the workspace name and choosing Reset to Saved Layout. I have a sequence open, my master sequence, with several clips, each of which perhaps need different adjustments. It's likely when you're adjusting the colors of a clip, you'll want to compare it to another clip in the sequence. The program monitor has a comparison view that makes this easy. In this second clip in the sequence, I'm going to make a pretty dramatic adjustment. I'm going to use this temperature adjustment to pull the shot right the way over to the blue end of the scale. Now, at the bottom of the program monitor, I'm going to click this comparison view button. On the left, in this view, I've got a reference frame, which can be any frame in the sequence. On the right, I've got the current shot. Because this is double the width of a regular frame, I'm going to resize the program monitor to be able to see these more clearly. Under the reference frame, I've got a timecode reference, and just as with any other blue numbers in Premiere Pro, I can click and type, or I can drag. I also have a navigator at the bottom of the frame, and you can drag that to locate any frame you like. There are also Previous Edit and Next Edit buttons, so you can quickly jump through your sequence and locate different shots that you want to use for comparison. Now that we're in the comparison view, we have a couple of additional buttons. Right now we're in side-by-side mode. We can also switch to a vertical split and a horizontal split. And when viewing in a split mode, you can drag the dividing line between the two frames that you're viewing. I still have the controls here at the top to choose which frame I'm using as a reference. Down at the bottom on the right here, I can swap sides, and that's really just for personal preference or if there's a particular detail in a shot that you want to use as a reference. And on the left, I can toggle between shot or frame comparison. Now I've got a before and after for the clip that I'm working on. So if I make another adjustment, a pretty extreme one again, just so you can see the line, I'm looking at the previous state before I made an adjustment to this frame. And this is very helpful if you're making more subtle adjustments to a shot and you want to be able to detect those adjustments without toggling the effect off and on for the whole clip. To come out of the comparison view, click the button again at the bottom of the program monitor. And now I think I'll reset these effects by double-clicking the controls, and we're ready to make some adjustments.